shook, your whole crew shook. Got the shit, I get what I want. I get it what I want. I get it what I want. I get the shit I want. Fucking do it, fucking around with my dude. Are you stupid, are you? Fucking out your fucking mind, man, dog. Motherfucking shit go down real hard. Man, I got this shit, yeah, I'm real smart. God damn, I'm on the top side. Yeah, I'm the top spot. Right in the fucking job. Drop the top, brown, fucking down in the dirt. Brown, wearing skirts. They think number 911. I got this shit with the gun. I got this shit with the shit. I got this shit on my nigga neck. I got this shit that's so fucking good. Anybody fuck around, can't feel it. Yeah, how I do, I have fear and shit. And I make your fucking skits out. Man, out your own fucking head. Come on, motherfucker, what you wanna do, I'm known. Don't do what the fuck. This is the scary thing, I never shut my fucking mouth. I do that dirty work, like to put some girls in the skirt, make them fucking twerk, man, I murk that pussy, yeah, I do it, yeah. What you want to see, I got this shit, man, you can't enjoy it, I got this shit, I'm on it. One more hit when I come on my head on the fucking face with the nut. Fuck, go around, got your face when I snipe. I got this shit and now I'm coming all right. Can't fight the dog. Can't fight the dog. Can't fucking me, no, y'all. But you really wanna die. You wanna die. No lie. Now I would with any time. When I toss around, I see so many shooters, dog. I'm fucking me eluding y'all, what the fuck you doing y'all? Goddamn motherfuckers out they fucking minds. Man, all these mass shootings on time. Fuck around, fuck down, nigga on the ground. Come around, everybody gonna get found, drowned in the ocean. Man, I like to be fucking coasting. What you know about what the shit it is? Then I got a shit, I protect my kid. Do that fucking bloody work. When I fucking look, I make it hurt. Make it hurt, bitch. Is what I do. Then I murk it. Fuck that pussy up, make it hurt, bitch. Yeah, I don't burn it. I'm concerned, bitch. You wanna fuck around? You ain't fuck around. I'm not no fucking lame. Got this motherfucking game all the fucking same. I motherfucker delete shit in your motherfucking crew. And I know how I do, know how it's true. Know when they're coming through, know what to do. And you can't fuck with my crew. Nah, I do, you know how we do. The deepest, trillest, realest, this fucking whole damn cell. What the fuck you gonna do? Terrorist cell, get ya. I got this shit.
Hey, your lower link on here is on the rock.
It's in my motherfucking head when I get ya.
Go driver more.
Like I got to do. What the fuck you like wanna do? Fuck around, I come on a bike for.
And then passenger?
Fuck around, fight fucking you or anybody, dude. I use it too, definitely got one. What you know about when that shit fucking happen? Goddamn clap on. I fucking